Okay guys, it's my 100th video. So I've been trying to figure out what I'm going to do for my 100th video, but nothing real good has really came to mind. So first off, I want to thank everybody that subscribed to me and watched my videos along the way and liked them. Hopefully I'll keep doing them. Been enjoying it, made some friends, had a lot of fun, so yeah, I guess I'll just keep going with that and do a few updates and things. I think here in a little bit I'm going to try rotary plow in the garden here. Don't know if you guys can tell, but it's still really wet in the garden. You can see I was kind of almost stuck here with the 818 the other day. I had the Cub Cadet stuck right there. I'll try rotary plowing them and try rotary plow in the garden and see how it works out. We're actually going to end up with quite a few pumpkins yet, but I'll deal with that in a later video. Do a run through of all the tractors here. 70s, running good as normal. It's going to get put away for the winter here pretty soon. I'll use it through fall, and then if I have a spare rotary plow, it'll go on it in the winter because it starts good. The Warriors tractor, I would like to restore it, but I haven't found the correct serial number plate for it yet, so that's on hold until I do. $15 sulky is a part right now. Borrow some things. I have a secret project hidden under here, which you guys won't find out until a later date what that is. As far as I know, the 48's still running good. I really haven't run it too much in the last month or two because it's just been too wet to play in the garden with it. The 58, the exhaust valve is leaking. Been doing that for quite a while now. I haven't been running it too much. I used to have two spare valves, but I think it went in. I think one of the valves went in the 70 when I rebuilt the engine for it. I had a couple of them, but I'll have to get a couple more. 59 again is running great as far as I know. I haven't actually had it outside since I painted the hood. As you saw yesterday, 64 was running great with the mulcher set up on it. The 70, the electric start 70, still running great, still going good. Wrapped up in here is the pull start 64. It's doing good. So, and so is the 818. The 818's been running awesome now. So I'll try and crank up the 48 and try and plow the garden, and we'll see how this works out. Could be interesting. Might be a Model L stuck video. Okay, we're going to cold start the 48. Put some gas in it, and we're good to go. I haven't even started in a month, so that's pretty good. There we go. Alright guys, well, hopefully I didn't bore you too much with this video. As you can see, the ground's super wet, so it's not plowing out real well. I don't know how well you guys can see that in the camera, but it's super wet and it's spitting out big chunks. So, anyways, this has been my 100th video. Thanks for watching, everybody, and hopefully there'll be 100 more. So I'll see you later. Well, just in case you guys are wondering, here's the finished product. It didn't turn out too bad. But the only thing I can say is rotary plowing water isn't near as fun as what you might think. Yep, she got all dirty.